This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the raw biometric logs into Excel so you can normalize data. Use data from text/CSV and map columns to employee ID, timestamp, and status. Once imported, convert the range to a table so formulas auto-expand, and ensure the timestamp column is formatted as a proper Excel data time to allow calculations. Make sure to remove blank rows and inconsistent ID. This prevents lookup errors later. Now you have a clean dataset to work from. Next, transform timestamps into usable date and time components. Add date equals int timestamp and time equals mod timestamp 1 so Excel treats them separately. Use XLOOKUP or index/match to attach employee names from a master list. This keeps sheets normalized. Pivot table or aggregate formulas work well. Compute first in with minifs, time, employee ID, date, and last out with maxifs. Once done, calculate worked hours as out-in formatted as H, This produces daily totals you can payroll. Finally, build summary columns for total hours, late compare into shift start, and overtime extra when total scheduled. Use IFR to handle missing in /OUT and protect totals. Apply conditional formatting to highlight blanks, negative hours, or duplicates so exceptions are visible. Make sure to lock and protect the formula cells before sharing. If you see negative or missing hours, filter for blank in or OUT entries and cross-check raw logs. Often a time zone or format mismatch is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.